As I was talking to a friend of mine the other day, and I was saying to them, if I knew ukuthi, because Nami, when people used to say Velapi, Velapi, I used to be worried. But now I'm thinking, Bafetu, we want to make riding a bike so fashionable, ukuthi, you are bikers. Mbapege, they have a top, a helmet, they have a whole uniform. And then I'm thinking to myself, ukuthi, if now I was not working for Take a Lot, I could probably be a driver. Kickstand, it would be very cool. So my bike and then I hit my kickstand. Open up my jacket, you know. It would be very cool. So another thing that would make it very cool is us having a lot of females on the program. So with my short sight, I can see that there's a lot of females, and that is exciting for me. Okay, but there's a catch, ne? In me closing, in a sense. There's a catch. So the catch is this. For you to be part of this program, are we still okay? For you guys to be part of this program, there's a catch. And the catch is, you need to pay, how, umameleni, relaxan. It's not a lot of money, it's not a lot of money. So, yes, but, in order to ensure, ukuthi, you guys, we do not pay for the lessons and then you guys do not attend. That's where I'm going. So you need to pay 100. This 100, ne, it's for your fingerprints and your ID verification. Every job also a fingerprint and all of that. So now we've got our own fingerprint system whereby every driver in Mbonayo has went through that system. So the only catch to catch you, it's like a 50-50 thing. We pay for your whole lessons, you only pay for your criminal check. Is that fair? Is that fair? Yeah, but they were very unnecessary. It's because we want, it's a partnership, Bafetu. We want you to commit, and your commitment is by saying, here's my 100 rand, do my criminal check, and then I'll start my lessons. That's the only thing that is required. Is that fine? Is that fine? So we ask ukuthi mangisuka la mangiqeda ukubhalisa igama lami ngohlanganisa le 100 rand criminal check so that ngiqale. Because awufuna ukusalela emuva bafethu. Anifuna ukusalela emuva. You want when the program starts ukugijima nayo so that you can start making money as soon as possible. And then someone who's sitting there would say to me, but how long will the program take? It depends. Kuya ngawe. So the program can take 4 to 6 weeks, depending on ngokuzimisela kwakho. When you get home from your lesson, are you studying? Because immediately when you're done with your learners, gibeli scooter. Immediately when you're done with gibeli scooter, there's a bike. Immediately when there's a bike, you come to my office and say, here are my documents, and then you start earning. Everything bafethu engiqeda ukuyikhuluma niyayinikwa on a silver platter. The only catch was the 100 rand. And bear in mind, in South Africa you will not find such a program. Are we fine? And then someone else will say, okay, say sengingenile kule program ye Take a Lot, ngibhadalwa nini? Ningayenzi ngathi aniyicabanga lento le. Sengiyasigibela le scooter lesi, ngiyenza ama delivery up and down, when do I get paid? So that depends on the franchise. Other franchises babhadalwa ngeviki. Others in 2 weeks, but between those two, iviki or 2 weeks, depends on the franchise. But bafethu, there is no limit into how much you're gonna get paid when you start working. So salary yakho, it's not straight. So if you want to decide ukuthi awusebenzi, awuholi. If you decide ukuthi uzosebenza over, uzohola over. Now, you understand? So, bafethu, I hope ukuthi we will take this opportunity ngezandla zoyi-2. The councillor's office has made this platform available to you guys. Mahala as chiyo. And then, abagibelayo ukhona ozothi, but Mthusi, I don't stay in Tembisa. What do I do? I told Palisili Kama, I saw there was a register. Did everyone sign their names? I think there was a register that was moving around. Okay. Ningahambi la ningasayinanga amagama wenu. I need all your names and your contacts. So you are going to be added to a WhatsApp group, ne? And in that WhatsApp group, you are going to state, okay, I stay in Sebokeng. I came to Tembisa and I found out that program was for Tembisa, but what do I do? So in that WhatsApp group, you are going to enter it, and then you're going to say Sebokeng, Pretoria, or wherever, and then they are going to assign you to that particular location, ohlala kuyo, and then you begin. So this program is for, as in Shilo, it's for everyone, and it's currently moving nationwide. So bafethu ngicela ningasali, ngicela nihambe nathi. Let's take a lot. Thank you.
Ngicela simshayele izandla abahlali. Hayi ungahambi. Ha. Ngiyazi ukuthi nini, that's why ngithi angahamba ngithi. So ufuna ukubaleka ene ngiyazi nizele yena ngithi la. Anizela kamina, mina niyangazi ngimubi, ngibona every day. Nizele yena ngithi. So yena ufuna ukukhuluma masinyane bese ufuna ukuhamba. But simzwile ukuthi bekathini. Simzwile kamampela. Siyajabula noma sijabule ngale nto aziphethe. Okay, ngicela simshayele izandla masijabule. And then ngicela ukubona ngezandla ukuthi bayengakhi abanemibuzo. Angithi le session yethu angithi. So akunambuzo, there's no question that is unnecessary. There's no question that is stupid. The only question that is unnecessary le ongayibuzi. So angithi we are here for information, right? So we are going to take questions for Oput Muthusi ne take a lot ne team yakhe ukuthi sizwe kahle ukuthi bathini angithi. And then also angithi when we ask we also listen, right? Angithi siyabuza bese siyalalela futhi. So uBhuti ngapha ka right or ekuqaleni makabuza ukuthi mina mangine license yemoto ngingeza nawe ngapha ka left ungabuzi the same question angithi. Siyazwana. Bantu besound ikhona imic ekhona lapha estradini. Ikhona imic ekhona enzansi. Oyikhona. Okay, ngicela ukubona izandla futhi. Okay, sizoqala ngapha from kuBhuti lapho bese imic izohamba ke kubo bonke abanemibuzo. That's why ngicela ukuthi isimamelaneni ngithi guys. Siyabonga.
Sanibonani ugama uNhlanhla. Khotman ngicela ukubuza if le scooter siyanguyisa.
Okay, oh. Okay, but before Kubega, Iman. One meeting. Angiti, we are all here to learn, Angiti. And as long as zofuni information, Angiti. So, any question ebuzwayo, asinga hleki, asinga respondi, asinga reacti. Angiti kusho ukuthi uBhuti sekacabangela phambili, Angiti. Sekazibona sebenza yena la so uyacabanga ukuthi manje mangidlule eplaza ngeFriday yemonth end akuna venture elizongichayisa angithi so ngicela imibuzo yonke siyivumele umuntu abuze nawe lo mbuzo nawo ungasabi ukubuza ubuza ngithi okay bhuti wami ungaqhubeka ke ungabuza
ngisasho if iscooter siyanguyisa ithekeloti react kanjani kule ndaba yami yokuwa.
Okay, sizwile ngithi question kaBhuti ne. And then konje bonke abanye abanemibuzo bayengakhe sicela ukubona izandla. Okay, yazi ngicela nenze nizibambeni lapho ne. Bonke laba abaphakamisa izandla ngicela nizongimela la phambili ukuthi microphone yethu ikwazi ukunisondela. Ngicela sizoma la phambili bonke laba abaphakamisa izandla ne. Hey, kwaze kwathula DJ. Kwathula ngathi sikwi memorial service. Kushone ba. Oh. Okay. I-microphone yethi kuphi siseleni? Hayi noma nje bangenza nje lapha phambili bame nje lapha phakathi nendawo. Angithi phela si live manje abalaleli ekhaya bazoza umbuzo kodwa bangaboni umuntu. No angithi siyashutha phela. Okay. Okay, asilalelaneni?
Sanibona.
Yebo bhuti.
Wale umbuzo wami ngifuna ukwazi like if you already have like a code 10 license because you mentioned like code 8. So is it necessary ukuthi mina kamele ngiphinde ngenze code 8 futhi or the code 10 is okay?
Siyabonga umbuzo bhuti, sicela umbuzo olandelayo. So angithi ubhuti uzowanotha wonke ama question angithi bese awaphendule kayi-1 angithi. Okay.
Okay, sanibonani. Igama ngoMoses waKaMasilela. Umbuzo wami ku Bhuti Marumo Thusi. Now that being said, ukuthi so tester for criminal record so checkwa. So is it indawo yethi safe ukuthi is-one le scooter because ngizobe ngi-owner leso scooter leso. So i-crime engaphandle kwe-scooter ngicela ukubuza nje mayelana ne-insurance based ukuthi ngiyasithenga le scooter ngi-insured kangakanani ukuthi masilahlekile le scooter noma sitshontshiwe kuyenzakalani. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga bhuti.
Sanibonani.
Yebo.
You said kuzovulwa ihub angithi la. So khona kwi-hub ngicela ukubuza ukuthi khona kuqashwa nini? Besides ukudriver kwi-hub, kusebenza kwi-hub straight.
Okay, siyabonga.
Sanibona.
Okay, asilalelaneni angithi.
Ninjani?
Siyaphila sisiyona njani?
Hayi mina ngisi-youth kodwa ngizele ingane zami la ngizomamelela zona. So into engifuna ukuyibuza ukuthi if maybe unebhaki ufuna ukuyifaka ku take a lot, you don't want to work but ufuna ukufaka ibhaki, uyenza kanjani?
Okay, siyabonga umbuzo wakho uzwake.
Sanibonani.
Yebo.
Njani? Mina bengisafuna ukwazi bhuti wami ama code 14 etake a lot niwaqasha kanjani?
Okay, siyabonga bhuti. Unothile bhuti Muthusi.
Good day everyone.
Yebo bhuti kunjani?
Saphila. Bengicela ukubuza on our status le NT available.
Ngicela usondeze imic emlomeni wakho.
On the status la wena usilethele wona NT nizosinika isitha for i-take a lot and driving and stuff. It's like
Okay, singamshayi. Bhuti wami ngicela uyibambele la uyisondeze emlomeni. Khuphula.
Okay, it's like bengifuna ukubuza.
Yabona ka manje uyazwakala.
Provided on isitha le abayiphile for ama bikers le.
Bhuti wami uyayiphakamisa masokhuluma uyehlisa. So ngicela ukhulume kahle.
Oh yeah.
Isondeze futhi emlomeni.
Okay, ngithi like bengifuna ukubuza yabona.
Yes, ungabuza mntaka baba.
On isitha leni provided is like there's a free transport accommodation because it's like me I'm around like Tembisa, maybe it might be at kuzoba inconvenience maybe for Trinity train ukuya maybe for Captain Park and stuff. I just no, it's like ngifuna ukunderstand ukuthi as njengoba khipha isitha there's a transport accommodation or it relies on your pocket now. It's what I need to understand.
Ngicela ukubambela yona mntaka baba ungakhuluma umbuzo wakho.
Okay, ngithi like bengifuna ukubuza ukuthi on isitha leni khiphile there's a transport accommodation or it relies on your pocket. And there's like another question ukuthi ngithi another question is like
okay ngicela simmameleni.
It's like I had a client Pinoni I paid for that driving school yabona. So I never get done for those lessons yabona. So it's like I need to ask ukuthi, for Eco 10, maybe you can outsource me, then you have an agreement. Okay, paperwork you left it in halfway, then we can take you to another step, this and that. And
But Mutsus, did you get that question?
Can I reiterate the question? Is he saying that he did a code 10, he didn't finish? So he wants to know if Take a Lot can take him in and then he can finish it off. Is that the question? Good, yes. Ngalungu.
Yamos?
yeah, it's like transferred to me to another department, but it's like paperwork ilapsile and stuff. We have to go to see renew it.
Okay,
Okay.
asenze into about masiqeda namhlanje ubona ubhuti Muthusi ngoba eyakho ngathi i-complex kancane. Okay, next one.
Mela? Okay. So now my question is Horing, if I have plans to study next year full time, am I supposed to like apply or hela?
Okay, siyabonga sisi. We got that, right?
Yeah.
Olandelayo. Sengizonibambela le mic yami ngiyabona niyayisaba. Sawubona sisi. Kunjani sisi?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ubani igama lakho?
uNonkululeyo.
Udume ngani? Ngiyadala, ungabuza umbuzo wakho.
So my question is based on AMA qualifications because I didn't get anything you said about AMA qualifications. My qualification is foreign. I have a metric, but aksu malusi. Do you understand? And then I came with Usiswam. Her qualification, her highest qualification is grade 10. So when ngifuna ama qualification, ukuthi mina engine qualification e foreign, can I qualify ngoba nginamelusi?
Okay, siyabonga sisi. We got that, angithi? Olandelayo. Hawu guys, why mangithi udume ngani ngihleka kanti ubani ungayazi ijika amajika ungasondela mntaka bathi simele ngapha, yabona?
Afternoon, everyone.
Okay, ngicela simamelaneni, one meeting.
Yeah, my question is, if you have the 100 rand,
Okay, sorry ngancane butama. Ngicela simamelaneni angithi bahlali. Because angithi uzobuza umbuzo bese angeke uzwe ngoba uyakhuluma and then mawuqeda nawe ubuye uzobuza the same question angithi. So ngicela simamelaneni, right? Angithi we are all here to get information. So asiyitholeni le information esizele la namhlanje. Ungaqhubeka mntaka.
sharp. My question is, if you have the 100 rand, do I have to physically go there by the hub and get the program started? And then another question is, if I had already had my criminal record checked, do I need to come with you guys and check with you guys again, or can I come with that form already?
Siyabonga bhuti. Okay. The last one. Sawubona sisi.
Yebo kunjani?
Ngiyaphila wena njani?
Ngiyaphila.
Ubani igama lakho?
Masabata Sikhosana
Masabata Sikhosana udume ngani?
ngokujayiva.
DJ umzwile. Okay, asuke lapho. Angithi siyamkhumbula sonke. Siyamkhumbula sonke angithi. Ngabuza umbuzo wakho siswami.
Bengisacela ukubuza ukuthi ama program ani stipend na?
Sizwile Muthusi. Iphelele imibuzo yethu. Okay, ngicela sibashayele izandla bonke ababuzile. Bhuti mina sengizokushiftela manje ngoba uwena ophethe zonke impendulo angithi and ubhalile wonke ama question angithi. Okay, ngicela simmamela angithi manje uzophendula wonke ama question angithi. Ngicela simmamela.
Beautiful questions. Thank you for the people that ask questions. Nayabathanda abantu ababuza imibuzo because I really feel like they want to know. So, first question. Ubhuti la. If you fall off a bike, uqashwe Take a Lot. That's a beautiful question. So, when you get into a contract, number one, ne, with that service provider, a bike, you will take insurance for the bike, ne? And then Take a Lot has insurance for their drivers in case something happens on the field. So let's say, angithi niyazi ukuthi emsebenzini kukhona ama injuries on duty. Hello? Yes. So mawulimele emsebenzini usually umsebenzi company, whichever company ozobe uqashwe kuyo, they usually have some money that they have for you. So kule contract ozoyithola kimi mawufika eHub soze nebike yakho, there is going to be an insurance form that you are sent that you must fill in. And to answer you in short, yes, you are going to be covered if you fall off your bike. So this insurance, it's for more serious things. You will not just fall off a bike. It happens, ne? But angithi driving school bazokufundisa ukuthi ungawi. So your consent is really valid, but primary. So if we look at things like uchayiswa iveni mawuphuma ehabini, ichayisa ibike yakho, the bike is insured, you are insured. So there's going to be a payout for you. Are you answered? Second question, if I got it proper. If you've got a code 10, do you still need to do a code 8? Was that the question, Angit? So, umuntu on a code 10, my knowledge of driving, because in the code 10, I'm patting driver e-motor, and the motor small cars are code 8. So, this program is for code A, ne? Motorbike. But if you have a code 10, what needs to happen is that, let's say when you have a license and you do not want to do this program, you need to have a car. The car needs to be insured. Huh? Are you answered to code 8 to code 10? So Tina, we don't look at your code unless you've got a bike. So if you drive your motor to code 10, you are a rightful driver because a code 10 driver can drive a code 8 car. I hope I answered that question. And then, Mr. Moses, I think you're the only one that introduced your name and said my name involuntarily. Yeah, thank you, sir. Criminal record. So, criminal record, Bafetu, it's a very important thing. So, Tina, at Take a Lot, we've got our own system that we use to do a criminal check, and it takes 24 hours. So, you would have to, even if we yenzile, we need to make our own criminal check. Are we clear, guys? So whether ungizela certificate or sends a police station or sends a group, when you get to the hub, I have to test your fingerprints. And then make sure, because then head office will then send us the results to say, Brother Moses is clear, he's a South African, does not have a criminal record. Is that fine? Our system is linked to Home Affairs, guys. So we can check if you are really a South African or uchonje ID or Fagis Tombe Sako. Brother Moses, I hope I answered you. Yes, Angeti, when you take the contract with the biker, you are going to get insured, Angeti. And then, mina ang dealing insurance. So it is between you and the insurance that if I am motor, when you take an insurance the motor, it's between you and the insurer. Tina Take a Lot, we hire you and you work for yourself. In terms of it needs to be insured so that your insurance can replace your bike. So Take a Lot does not deal ne bike yakho ukuthi uyipaye kanjani, because some of us sizohamba siye kumnandini ngamabike uyile la kumnandi bese uyayikhohlwa ibike yakho lapha ngoba usudakiwe bayayithatha ibike yakho, then you say Take a Lot, mina ibike yami bayitshontshile. So we are not responsible for the bikes. We fine. Thank you, sir. And then employment at the hub. Okay. Bafowethu, right now, currently, the hub is opening. So for now, there is no post. Ne? But we are not saying there will not be employment. For now, there is no post. There's only post for drivers. So it can happen that you come there and you just maybe say, I'm dropping my CV in case you guys have post. That's still fine. Ne? So that instead of re-advertising and all that, we can look in the CVs that we have, and then we can compare who is more suitable for the job. Is that fine? So for now, we don't have post at the hub. Kana siyovula. Kona oti ipaki. So, amabaki, I don't have much information on that. But one thing I know is that Tina Kona manje, we are hiring bikes and cars. So if when you've got a baki and you my advice would be find a driver, because you won't be able to get time to look for a driver for you. So find a driver, make an arrangement, Uber and the others, make an arrangement, no, with the driver to say this is how much you're going to pay me and so forth. And then Tina, we have an agreement with the driver, not the owner. Is that fine, Siswe Paki? And then code 14. But Tina code 14 or manja swakash. Tina happen we don't deal with a truck. We don't crash about a truck. Crash about driver be mote ngane nama bikes. So I think if you can go to the Take a Lot online, and then perhaps head office nama DC. They've got posts for drivers, but Tina, we don't have posts for drivers. I'm at about driver be Bama truck. And then there was that question that was unclear. Ega putwe code 10, aga qedanga. Guys, here, as I stand, I'm here for bikers. And those that have cars, and then mhlambe they want to start working. So if awuqedanga eyakho ne angazi whatever driving school, or you have to go back and finish. We do not have contracts with people that started something. We don't have that kind of arrangement. And then, okay, sister, you want to go study, or you're planning to study next year. Right now we are in 2026. We've got a current crisis. Maybe you are not working. My advice, I'm not saying take it or leave it, but my advice is go do this program, work, and then get employed, like Take a Lot as you're working as a driver, and then next year when you're going to school, go to school and still make money. So you can still make money. And then maybe you move to the Western Cape, and then you say to Tembisa, I'm moving to the Western Cape to study, but I still want to work. You can still work. Last question, I think. No, it's 2 more questions.
No, it's fine. You still have time. And then also, angithi sinabalaleli abasibukele ekhaya kuThembisa online, nabo they can also post imibuzo yabo on social media, Thembisa online, and then nabo bazothola ama information. But angithi sonke samamela angithi sisezwa sonke ukuthi uthini, sonke sahambisana naye. And then angithi sikhumbula ngithi mawuthola mhlambe leyo phone call important, maybe ekufanele uphendule nesicela ukuthi uyibambele ngaphandle phone just ukuthi sizwaneni sonke angithi. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Buti Muthuso ngaqhubeka.
Okay, so there was a sister that was asking about UNEMetric, but not from here, from another country. So among the qualifications that I said you need to qualify, I said 18 to 35, be a South African, no criminal record, right? So, asqashe ngo-matric. So, whether you've got matric here, we don't need that. What we need, Tina, is that you must be 18, you must have no criminal record, you must be a South African, 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 and unemployed.
Angithi nithe mabahamba ngithi. So, oh, mabahamba ubani yo drive ikuta? Hayi ngiyaqhubeka.
So niyayithola ukuthi le program ekabana ngithi. So when I'm saying you must be a South African citizen, I'm saying for this program you must be a South African citizen. It's a requirement. It's a requirement. So if nonke ngama South African, nonke niya qualify. If nonke are under between 18 and 35, niya qualify. No criminal record, siyakufuna. So that is the question for UCC. And then if you have the 100 rand, so I did say, and I'll stretch it out again, whether you did your criminal check, gupi gupi, it doesn't matter. You will come to the hub. Okay, not you will come to the hub. Let me say this. After you are signed to whatever WhatsApp group in terms of your location, at the group as go where for your fingerprint. So most of you guys maybe will find me at the hub to do your fingerprints. Nidluleni lapha nizobona bafethu. Ikhona ilapha ekhoneni next to Standard Bank at Tembisa Plaza. And then now a question bafethu eshisayo ne. Because usually we are used to, when we join a program, there's a stipend. Unfortunately, bafethu, for this one there's no stipend. It's 6 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks. You do your training, you get your license, qaluk sebenza. Stingelani stipend uzoyenza more than of his stipend. So I think that was the last question, a stipend. So there's no stipend, unfortunately, but there's a guaranteed salary and a guaranteed employment when you are done with the program. Okusho kanjalo ngiyabonga.
Sibonge kakhulu futhi muthi. Ngicela simshayele izandla kokugcina futhi. Simzwile. Simzwile. Sisho ukuthi simzwile. Akekho omunye osele ngombuzo ozobuza umngane wakhe makaphuma ukuthi manje mina le yankinga yami leyana ngibona izandla ezi4 ezokugcina ngizozifaka manje ngicela zize la phambili ezoyi4 zokugcina angithi we are all here for information. Ngicela lezi zandla ezi4 zokugcina sisondele la phambili ngicela sibashayele izandla as they come. Sawubona siswa.
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Ubani igama?
Katekani.
Katekani. Okay, ungabuza umbuzo wakho siswa. Mukwazi gibela iskuta before? Usho akazogibela iskuta? Okay. Okay. Ungabuza umbuzo wakho.
Okay. Bengifuna ukubuza ukuthi do you need a PDP? You don't need. Okay.
Okay, siyabonga siswa umbuzo ubuze. Ngicela nimshayele izandla. Ngasondela siswa. Sawubona sisi.
Yebo njani?
Siyaphila wena njani?
Ngiyaphila.
Ubani igama?
Asa.
Mangabheka ifoni yakho manje ngajabula?
Yebo.
Okay, siyadlala. Ungabuza umbuzo wakho.
Okay, ngicela ukubuza.
Ngizokubambela ungawali.
Okay. Thina besize kwi-program before.
Okay. Sicela ukubuza usisi, simamela usisi angithi. Simamela usisi. Thank you very much.
Besiregisterile for i-program ngoMay ekwazini. I think I'm not sure if we were ukhona futhi. And then kwi-program nathi niyasibhadalela vele njengoba nishilo. And then sabhukhelwa i-driving school ukuthi siyobhala i-learners. But uma sifika le, masibhukhela so siyazibhadalela. So we were not clear with that ukuthi kwenzakalani because nina maniza kithi nithe niyasibhadalela and then i-driving school ithi thina kumele sihambe siyozibhadalela thina i-confirmation fee nemali yokuprinta out i-learners. So ngicela i-clarity on that.
Okay, siyabonga sicela nimshayele izandla. Ngasondela. Sawubona bhuti.
Sawubona.
Igama ubani?
Igama nguAyanda.
Okay, ungabuza umbuzo wakho bhuti.
Sanibonani. Mna I'm not a young person but I thought that abantu aba young lana bebezoyibuza le question hence ningazanga we first round. Angithi siya understand guys ukuthi asifani ngokucabanga, asifani ngokwenza. Kunabantu abangakhona ukubhala. So indaba yabantu abangakhona ukubhala, is there any oral test that is being done for them so that singashiya abantu ngasemuva? Siyabonga.
Ngicela nibashayeleni izandla. But Muthusi, I believe was really wonke ama question.
Thank you very much. Okay, the first question was the PDP. So we do not need the PDP for driving. So that's fine. And then, as this, your question is very concerning. Uguti, you went and then the driving school. Are we okay? Can I continue? Okay, so I think OCC would have to see me after this particular session because you are not supposed to be paying for yourself. Nope. So I think maybe you're supposed to report that, but I will report it on your behalf because then we need to find out why the driving school is doing that. Because you heard, Mus, when I gave you the plan to say the only thing you pay for, criminal check, the rest, these driving schools refer to our partners. So we deal with them in terms of payment. So, Sisi, please come see me after this so that we can then sort that issue out. I'm not sure, so patalile. You'll have to tell me which is so patalile, and then we have to see how we work around that. But coming back, assured, you're not supposed to pay anything. And you can stand on that and say, Take a lot said, we are not going to pay anything. And then report it. Until you will be in groups. So you'll have to then report to say, the driving school is doing this, and then we deal with that issue. Ningaken patalile. Yeah, you just come see me when I step down the stage. Mrs. Puma, you'll say, this is my name, and then I would then have to escalate that issue. Okay. The other issue was very important to say, is there is there an oral test for that? So I don't want to lie. I am not sure about that, but I can go find out for you. As long as there's an interest, Bafetu, I think it needs to be clear that there's going to be effort to make sure that you get employed. So if there's an interest and then your effort is seen, we then recognize you when you come to say, here's my amount, I'm joining, here's my name, and then you start. We'll make sure, because so my hub alone, my boss usually says, we need at least 200 drivers. Here you are more than 200 drivers. And then so I'm hoping that some of the faces that I hear, I will start working with them as soon as possible. Thank you.
Okay, and then quick one, Putimutus, before we keep her off the stage. Now we just have two questions from Itembisa Online. So we just have two questions in a minute. The first one, Ubuza, about the Baki subcontract, Utuqela, a bit of clarity around that. And then the second one, Umuntu over the age of 35, Uyabuza, is there nothing at all that can be done for Abantu Aba over the age of 35? Question amabili masinyane bese sivale mtakaba la eflow sesivalile ngithi sihambisile ama round out 2 fanele siqhubeke ngeprogram. If khona any question efuna ukubuzwa, we are here sesekhona, kodwa uPhuthusi makaqeda ukuphendula lezi eziyi2 uzosuka stage. Ngiyabonga Phuthu.
Okay, for the Baki subcontractor, as I did say, we are not hiring Amabaki specifically. So if you wanna come work at the thing, please come to the office and see us. I think I'll give you more information when we are there. And then, because I'll also find out other stuff. And then the 35-year-old one, in terms of this program, 35, you qualify. Over, no. But if you've got a license, a car, or a Baki and a car, you qualify to come work. So if konabe nulaba nama license abane moto, you can start working. So you can come to the hub, register, and start working. Thank you.
Ngicela simshayele izandla. Thank you very much, Pukmutusi, for that information session. Simzwile sonke angithi. Sabuza futhi nemibuzo angithi. And then angithi uchazile ukuthi masimfuna elsewhere singamthola kuphi angithi. And then there's also an important piece of information ayibalile angithi uPutmutusi ukuthi ama training wakhe ayenzeka kuphi angithi. So, njengoba siyabahlali bala eWard 11 bayingakhi bethu know of a learning institution called Igwazini Learning Center. Ngicela ukubona izandla. Siyayazi noma siyazi? Siyayazi. Okay, our next speaker is uprincipal wase Gwazini Learning Center. Angithi kula niyobe nifunda khona ngeikuta angithi. But now also abayenzisi izinto zeikuta kuphela noma they are not offering only ama courses weikuta. So as we know, mhlambe makube besibonile ema groupini bayingakho abethu abakhona kuma WhatsApp group wala emphakathini ngicela ukubona izandla. Hey, a very small number, eh? So la eWard 11 kunama community group ekuruleni Ward 11 community groups, and then there's also ama careers and jobs group futhi wala eWard 11 where imisebenzi are posted, where ama learning opportunity are posted. And over the past few years or so besinokubona bafaka izinto zasekwazini bathi kunama course okwenza inwele, kunama course wama makeup, kunama course wokuthunga. How many ladies do we have in the house? A lot. And angithi zonke lento lezi zama makeup zeinwele nani into zabo mama ngithi. Okay, but ngicela ukungabakhulumeli bengicela ukinvite uprincipal Mavuso wasekwazini Skill Center ukuthi azositshela kabanzi ngesikolo nokuthi what we can get from the school. Ngicela simshayele izandla as he comes onto the podium. Hayi angizizwe izandla zenu, ngicela simshayele izandla. Principal, you are welcome. Ngizokuhleplela ipodium yami kancane ne. Angithi ngiyazi ujwayele i-classroom so mhlawumbe ufuna ukwenza up and down ngicela ungachithi ngicela umela ku podium yami ne. Siyabonga baba. Ngicela nimshayele izandla.
Sanibonani. Igama lami Evans Malachi Mavuso. I have two surnames. And I think most of you know me from Ekwazini Community Learning Center. We are based within Tembisa West Secondary School. But our institution is mostly known as an adult institution, whereas we actually shifted from being adult institution to a community-based institution whereby we deal with skills development. Some of our students are here, I know them, and most of them, they know me about being too strict and disciplined because I understand what discipline can do. I've watched, since I think I've arrived 10 minutes earlier to observe what's happening regarding this program. It's a great initiative and I would wish that it becomes the culture in this ward that there's an informative session that the councillor and his team conduct so that the community are being informed about the opportunities in terms of work-related learnership and so forth. But let me focus much on Kwazini Community Learning Center. We are an institution which is under Department of Higher Education. We are doing A8 level 1 to A8 level 4, which A8 level 4 is our exit to adult matric. It takes you to adult matric. Some of our students who are in grade 12, they've completed A8 levels and went to matric. We have got two types of matric. The one that the student, they upgrade their subject, those who failed or want better results. And we also have adult matric for adults who did not complete matric for various reasons and so forth. But as much as I indicated that we are a community-based institution, we also have programs which are meant to develop community members who are in need of solution to socio-economic imbalances. Socio-economic imbalances, I refer to unemployment and so forth. We do have partners and stakeholders in most of the time visiting the institution, whereby we brief our students about the opportunities which are available. But I must indicate that it starts from the attitude that you have as a person. When they say there's an information session, whether you are here to gather information or you are just here ukape umgani, or we just want to see what's happening. In most cases, if there was something or famous DJ here or a celebrity, this hall will be full. Many people will be coming in, and that's a problem that we have with our society. And even in terms of preparedness, when we say there's an opportunity like this, we expect people to prepare. I'm going to make an example about the program that we run in Nail and Beauty. You cannot come for an informative session, ufaka ama-pajama, and you're going to deal in nail and beauty. Automatically, it's a red flag. What I'm trying to say is that if they said there's a program, please prepare yourself. Even if you don't have any expensive clothes, you don't have, just be you, be formal, be okay, so that you can grab an opportunity. Because if someone looking for maybe 5 interns, student, that particular person will first look at those who are presentable, not beautiful, how you dress, how you behave, and so forth. But then that is a discussion that we'll have another day. Ekwazini Community Learning Center, it works with different sitters. We have programs which they bring. The other one which they brought to us, it was cell phone repair. We took 29 students, and out of that 29 students, we only have 3 students who are currently fixing cell phone. The main aim was to close the gap in the market of cell phone repair, because there's this attitude yokuthi ama cell phone are repairwa abantu ababuya ngaphandle, and that is a wrong attitude. Out of 29, we have only 3 who are currently doing their working, fixing cell phone. Majority, they took those toolbox which were worth 50,000 each and sold it to over my friend back again. That is the black child. That is us, what we're doing. There is a market out there, but they decided to, they don't have time, they rather sleep, they rather watch TV and also those things. This is a problem that we have, that we are unable to address unemployment people. Because when we present opportunities, people, they don't want to take it with both hands. They take it with one hand, the other hand is a squamane. So when we talk about skills development, we talk about those programs which will address your challenges as you are unemployed now. And you don't need to have matric or to have a degree to get a job. There are so many people with degree honors out there in South Africa. If you have a degree, ufana nomuntu one matric, because most companies, they'll say we need honors, we need masters. Where are you going to get that? So what I'm trying to say, the small programs that we bring within the community which are funded by ISITA, some of them, they don't have stipend, because the first question is that, is stipend sikona na? Most of the programs, there are no stipend, because people, they only come for that stipend. They don't come for the knowledge. And we want to impart knowledge to you as Kwazini Community Learning Center. Some of the people, they come and register for matric, but they don't complete because they don't study. They expect magic. Ekwazini, it has an agreement with Ekurhuleni municipality, whereby employees of the municipality, they come to Kwazini to rewrite their matric. Even councillors are required to have matric. But I must say that many of them, they come with the attitude, with the title, and I expect magic to happen, which I pass. They don't study, and it's a problem. It takes me back to what I've said, the attitude that we have towards your personal development. Are you prepared to develop yourself? We have this program as a host here, Take a Lot. We had 231 in the first day. The next phase, we had few students who are serious, who did not want to miss this opportunity. They came from different orange farm and so forth, because they see an opportunity. But when I look at around here, we only covered, maybe there are 10 or less than 10 of
people around this ward who had that opportunity. And I also shared the information with the council. So it makes me wonder, what is it that we want to do as black people? Do we want to continue, keep on blaming government, keep on blaming other people for not employing or getting employment? When you want to get employment, you start with yourself. Start working hard and so forth. I have people who registered matric, they are security guards. They knock off, they pass by the center, take question paper and start. And those people are the ones who complete matric. The ones who are not working, sitting at home, are the one who fails. And I question, if somebody was working night shift but able to pass exam, then it goes back to the attitude. I'm a program, as in now, we've got computer training program. Yes, we are a government institution, but you must understand that in order to have resources, service in computer, student must pay. It's not for free. I think it's 600 for 15 days. And out of that 15 days, most of the students who walk out of that room, they know how to type the CV, they know how to surf the internet. The information that you seek here, it is the information that you can get it on internet. You have a bag, you want to know where to put it. You can go and check to website, they take a lot. How do you list your bag to them? You'll have that information. We live in the age of digital literacy. We live in the age of technology. Any information that you need, it's there. Even learnership, they'll say upload your documents. But we don't want to do that. We want to come and holding a CV ganja. And it becomes a problem because if in my favorite one, ngiyothatha ama CV abantu engingabazi ngiwalahlelele, then ngithathe laba engibazi ngiwabeke phambili. So most of the company, they use upload your CV so that even if you complain tomorrow, you have a proof, but here's the email, I've uploaded my CV. Even municipality, I think they've started doing that when you apply for work. So Equazini, it's meant to address the skills challenges as within the ward, but we also accommodate students who are coming from different areas. We intended to establish or to start with ECD, Early Child Development, NQF Level 4, and move to NQF Level 5. We also intended to start ancillary healthcare because we have realized that most people, especially those who are above the age of 35, they are more interested in that field. We will be having those programs running them. So if you need more information, go to our Facebook. But don't ask me questions which are irrelevant, guys, because I don't normally respond. I'll just delete and block. And I'm seen as a person who is funny. I'm not funny. I'm a constructive person. And when we engage like this, we have to be more constructive. Let's say we have an employer, now we have people working outside. After that, abasales cela ukuthi uvale umnyango lethe ama CV siyaqasha. Laba bangale ngaphandle, they'll be the ones starting toying ukuthi ha nisivalele ngaphandle. But they did not want to hear the end of this program. What is happening? This is our problem that we have as a society. So we need to have an attitude, positive attitude, and we need to stand up. There's nothing for mahala people. You need to work hard. Umabate take a lot, 100 rand for a fingerprint. If you want to invest in that 100 rand, invest to buye le 100 rand. And somebody say, asna, but you look at the phone, petty iPhone. Petty iPhone, petty into a durai. If we were saying entrance, DJ, some black office here, 500, people will be paying. So I'm talking as a person who's passionate about skills. So some of you may not like what I'm saying, but if you want to succeed in life, you need to work hard, you need to push, you need to persevere, you need to dedicate yourself. Nothing is for mahala. The government does not give. The government now is not giving anything, people. So with that, I don't want to waste more time. I just want to say we are within Tembisa West Secondary School. We share information within the community. We have other programs which are lined up. And if you don't know more or you want to know other programs, because we might not have other programs in KwaZini, go to Gauteng website, Gauteng Community Education and Training website. There are centers whereby they have both sewing, they have bricklaying, they have all those things. We try to bridge the gap so that we avoid that everyone goes to TVET, because you might find out that not everyone will fit a TVET. Thank you very much.
Ngicela simshayele izandla. Okay, lezwa ngithi bekwezami izandla ngithi. Ngicela sishayele uprincipal izandla. Thank you very much, Principal Malachi Mavuso. Angithi ngiqale ngathi Mavuso wathi double barrel. So thank you very much, Principal, for your time. Simzwile angithi young people. And as Councillor was saying earlier on, ukuthi Ward 11 is an educational ward. Kuneikolo, kunama skills center, kunama educational center, so you can get everything that you need from khona la ewardini angithi guys. Njenga namhlanje makuze ama opportunity aze kuphi aze khona kithi la ewardini angithi namhlanje. Because like we said ukuthi it's very unfortunate guys ukuthi siyenze yonke lento esiyenze namhlanje and then the young people of our community do not benefit. Angithi. So just by a show of hands guys ngicela ukubona izandla ukuthi bayengakho abakhomithayo bathi mina ngizoyenza lento ye take a lot ngizoyiqala futhi ngizoyiqeda. Ngicela ukubona izandla. Ngicela nisishayeleni izandla. So before we bring on our following speaker, sesisondele ngasekupheleni angithi phela asikho bada angithi angali sisesontweni but asizange esontweni angithi. So angeke sibe bada angithi niyazi abafundisi mabakhuluma bathi sengiyavala manje. So sesena item yokugcina but it's all still within the information space angithi. Because as Sishilo Guti namhlanje, it's all about information for young people, it's information for empowerment. So angithi we can take advantage of it. Because angithi masihamba la ngaphandle siyazibona ikuda yonke indawo la sihamba khona. And then angithi masibabona siyabahleka. Sithi abovela phi imjongeni angithi. Abanye mabambona bathi angithi basho kanjani. Mara uti wenzi 2000 ngeviki. Mara uyamhleka. Angithi yabona. Thina abangasebenzi kusamele siyocela imali yedatha, sicela imali yani, leya muntu uyazisebenzela. So this is an opportunity guys angithi. And it doesn't come anywhere and anyhow. Njengoba besisho earlier on ukuthi there are people here who come as far as Pretoria, from as far as the Val and all of these areas because la bahlala khona azikho lezi zinto lezi angithi. So ngicela sithathe advantage yayo angithi. Do we promise ukuthi we will take advantage of this? Do we promise ukuthi we will take advantage of this? Kokugcina futhi, do we promise that we will take advantage of this opportunity? Ngicela sisishayele izandla ke. And then besides take a lot, angithi bakhona abanye futhi abasiphathela ama opportunity namhlanje. Bakhona abanye futhi abasiphathela ama opportunity namhlanje. Ukhona usis konje bathu bani lo sis leyana wayengikhohle igama lakhe uMrs Madikane wase Get Informed ukhona eduze. Ukhona eduze noma akekho eduze. How many of us know of an institution or an organization called the Get Informed? Hey, ngathi niyabazi Hey, baningi benu ngathi niyabazi. So angithi as we promised today ukuthi we are here to bring information, we are here to bring our skills, we are here to bring knowledge. We invite more speakers as well. Bakhona abantu base Get Informed. They are going to give us more information ngokuthi basebenza kanjani, ba-assista ngama issues, our job applications and so forth. Kodwa angithi whilst basazi prepare angithi baniphathele izinto eziningi. Angithi baniphathele izinto eziningi. So whilst basazi prepare bayengakhabethi abanawo ama CV. Sicela ukubona isandla ukuthi bayengakhabethi abanawo ama CV. And then i-CV yakho ma uyidraft, idraft kanjani? Isabhale ukuthi hobbies reading. Ngiyabuza. Angithi phela abaningi bethu bathi masifaka ama CV babhale ukuthi hobbies reading. Mara mawufunda i-CV yakhona inama spelling mistake. Bese uyazibuza ukuthi lo muntu uthanda ukufunda kodwa kunama spelling mistake angaka. Yazi why abanjalo lama CV wethu. Angithi uthatha i-CV yakaXolani wa next door. Bese uyotshintsha igama, uchange i-address, uchange ne-email address angithi bese uthi nayi i-CV yami. Angithi senza kanjalo. Bese mawuqeda uthi emphakathini ngicela ama CV ayi-10 wonke abhalwe hobbies reading. Usibuze ukuthi labantu kusho ukuthi bayafunda man. noma sekuthiwa ithembiseni idumile or ithembisa online idumile kodwa labantu bayafunda lama CV wonke wabhala hobbies reading. Okay, so the next speaker guys uzosibonisa ukuthi iCV right ibhalwa kanjani. Because angithi at times siya apply for imisebenzi uthole bangakuphenduli, uthole sometimes ungatholi response, ungatholi ngisho ne-email ethi regret to inform bese uyazibuza ukuthi kanjani. But then you find ukuthi ama-company amaningi complain and say ukuthi ama-CVs our draftwa properly. And then before ngiletha the next speaker ngicela ukubona bayingakhi bethu abayigcwalisile i-register. Ngithi kune-attendance register. Bayingakhi bethu abayigcwalisile? Okay. Angithi also masiqeda la uBhuti Muthusi ucele ukuthi uzonifaka ku-WhatsApp group angithi. Uzonifaka ku-WhatsApp group akuchaze ukuthi going forward nizosebenza kanjani, but also kunama paper akhona around the hall where you can take i-WhatsApp yakho uscan i-QR code angithi. Scan i-QR code ungena ku-WhatsApp group take a lot angithi uzokwazi ukuthola more information, right? How many of us know i-QR code? Angithi sonke siyayazi i-QR code. Angithi sidila ngama-phone nama-WhatsApp. Ayisayenzi lento yakudala ukuthi ngicela ungi-add kuleya group, ngicela ungifake, no. Uthatha ifoni yakho uyaskena i-QR code bese uyangena ku-WhatsApp group angithi. Bese mawungena ku-WhatsApp group azokutshela ukuthi sicala nini, senza nini, uze nini angithi. Are we all together? Okay, ngicela simeme usisi ozosisiza manje ngama-CV, ngicela simshayele izandla sonke usisi Lerato. Ngicela simshayele izandla azafike la stage ngoba uhamba kancane. Ngicela simshayele izandla azafike la stage. Hayi izandla zenu angizizwa. Naye futhi angeke azizwe izandla zenu. Kunjani sisi? Ngicela utshele ababukeli bethu ekhaya ukuthi ubani igama lakho?
Ulerato kaMatsubane.
Ulerato kaMatsubane yena udume ngani?
Hayi bo.
Okay, ngiyadlala. Okay, ngicela simshayele izandla.
Sanibonani. Mina ngegama ngulerato kaMatsubane. So, okay, why we did this program today, actually the reason why I'm here with the CV writing ngizonincedisa ukunibonisa ukuthi siyenza kanjani and everything is because last time we had an opportunity ukuthi sithathe ama-CV helping the youth again. Ukuthi sithathe ama-CV wenu so nisubmithela wena somewhere else where there were job opportunities. So before we submit CVs, we can't just take ama-CV so ahambise singabheka ukuthi yonke into iphelele, yonke into ikhona and everything is relevant. Then we saw some mistakes and we thought ukuthi okay, it will be nice ukuthi nathi sikwazi ukuthi sithathe youth ukuthi sifundise ukuthi for applying umsebenzi what is needed. So first ngizocela ukuntsha ukuthi hayi CV yonke uthatha iCV eyi1 uyayiphotocopy wenza ama-copy ayi100 uyihambisa everywhere. You should know ukuthi you are applying for different jobs. Ngeke uthathe iCV enento yokucleaning uyihambise you apply le-admin. Like it's not relevant. For e-cleaning you should ubhale the relevant things ukuthi I'm a hard worker, I can clean, I can work under pressure and everything. But for admin, you should say, I'm good at Excel, I'm good at this, I'm good at that. So CVs are different for different job opportunities. So, kwamele siyi-check before apply umsebenzi. I'm a bit scared, but I'll try to calm. Okay. Oqala ngizongitshela ama-mistakes, the common mistakes we make kuma-CV, masiyenza ama-CV. Number one, nasibhala ama-motivation wethu. Ubhala ama-paragraph, i-paragraph ende. I think lo muntu lo uzohire abantu abayi-30,000. Uyofunda nini lama-paragraph ayi-30,000 wonke. Angeke aze akhona ukuwafunda. Then that thing iyenza ukuthi ufeyile ilona i-inspection ngenxa ye-CV yakho. You should also remember ukuthi your CV is your personal marketing strategy. It should represent you as an individual. Before ngibona wena, by reading your CV, I should already know who am I hiring. Thank you. And then another thing, these days futhi izinto easy sine AI. You can just take your CV, wayifaka ku AI, washo ukuthi can you please check ama-grammar, ama-spelling yonke into. Uzohambisa iCV yomuntu, kwa igama lakhe ulispele wrong, akachekanga. So all those things izinto kumele ukuthi uzi-check and make sure ukuthi zi-right, zi-perfect. And any mistake futhi uthola umuntu ayenza iCV first page i-colorful enye into nje ngathi incwadi yomntana wase-crash bekafunda ukhalara nani nani. No, that is not necessary. And your CV should be short and simple. Ukuthi umuntu akwazi ukuyifunda abone ukuthi lo muntu lona ungani. Hayi into ende it's just one page. Your qualifications, your skills, motivation, then that's it, then the personal information. Into is important. And always be honest with CV yakho. Cabanga sebakubiza for interview because by encourage le nto lo uyibhalile. Bayakubuzisa ukuthi uyakwazi ukusebenza under pressure. Awuyazi ne pressure ukuthi yini, mara ubhalile ukuthi uyakwazi ukusebenza under pressure. So and kunama app la emafonini wethu. Sine nama app amnandi right for ukwenza ama CV. They write you a short modern CV. You don't need to go to the internet cafe every day mawufuna CV. You just take that app ubhala CV yakho for that particular job. Mase so uqeda ngaleyo particular job, next time you just edit the same CV on your phone. The next into izokinse internet cafe I think is for print out kuphela. And these days futhi uyakwazi ukuyenza as an email, ukusenda ama CV via ama email. So ayikho imali oyispendayo lokuthi angikwazi uku-apply anginamali. Come on. Okay, now uqeda ukubhala i-CV yakho, always ask someone omaziyo. There's no way ukuthi awazi umuntu who is professional around wena. Every time uqeda ukwenza i-CV yakho, it's nice and it's very like easy ukuthi ungacela umuntu ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ungiproofreadele my CV so that now ube sure ukuthi lento oyibhalile la izokwazi ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthi uthole umsebenzi lo o-applyelayo. So yeah, I think that's it. Thank you.
Ngicela simshayele izandla. Simzwile sonke. So sesiyazi sonke ukubhala i-CV. Hayi mara ngathi seniphethe ubuthongo manje. Konje lo yasihle loyana bekathi yena udume ngokujive ukuphi? Ukuphi leso udume ngokujive? Okay, ngicela si-invite our last stakeholders abazositshela ukuthi bona basiphatheleni nokuthi imiphi imisebenzi bona basiphathele yona. Sicela ukumema the people from Get Informed. Ngicela sibashayele izandla uMiss Madike. Futhi bahamba bayithini yabona ngathi akahamba eyi-1. Oh banabani? Oh okay. Ningaki? 1 2. Okay, ngicela simshayele izandla as she walks to the stage.
Sanibonani. Ninjani? Siyaphila. Mina ngegama nguThamia Madikane, ngisuka kwi-organization ebizwa iGet Informed Youth Development Center. So sina NPO, a non-profit organization edila ngokulinka i-youth to economic opportunities, right? So sin assist uku-apply imisebenzi, ama-learnerships, ama-internships, ama-scholarships izinto ezinjalo, ne? So angisho ukuthi ngizokunikeza umsebenzi mina on my side, right? I just link you to those economic opportunities and then I assist you to apply for those economic opportunities. And then kuzoya ngaleyo company leyo ngi-assiste or leyo post leyo ngi-assiste ukuthi uyi-applyele ukuthi bayakufonela back or kanjani, ne? And I do not require any funds from you. Moso uthole umsebenzi through mina. I just need you to tell me ukuthi okay Thamia, ngithole umsebenzi endaweni so ungincedise ukuthi uyi-applyele ukuze nami ngikhuthale ukuthi ngichubeke uku-assist abantu ukuthi ba-apply, right? But then before I can start assisting you, I need to prep you, right? So ngikufaka kuma-workshop, kune-workshop esinayo ebizwa life skills and job readiness workshop. So lapho kuleyo workshop into esiyenzayo sin-assista ngoku-draft i-CV, sinibonisa ukuthi i-CV yakho kumele idraftwe kanjani izokwazi ukuthi attract ama-employers, right? Sinibonise futhi ukuthi if ever you're called for ama-interviews, kumele uziphathe kanjani kuleyo interview leyo, yini indlela e-appropriate yokuthi uyigcoke mawuya ku-interview, right? Izinto nyana ezinjalo. Ungazi-applyela kanjani wena for imisebenzi online without you going to internet cafes and digital, right? Or you coming to me, you understand? We also have skills programs as well, ofarayo. It's computer training, we have technical support, and we have early childhood development in Q4 and 5, right? Lao skills programs on uyawabhadalela, they're accredited, you get your certificates most of that apply so that you can post CV yakho, because siyazi ukuthi ngalamalanga u-matric or non-umune degree at times ungana skill onaso, especially osenze practically kunzima ukuthola umsebenzi, ne? And then we have social worker kwi-organization yethu abadila with psychological support. So social worker wethu adila with case with GBV in most cases. So if we victim ye GBV, or you know of someone or you victim ye GBV udinga assistance, you can come to our organization, bazom assist loyo muntu loyo for free, or bazo assist wena for free, ne? And then siphinde futhi sibe sibe nenye program esibiza business mentorship and incubation. So this is for people who are willing or who already have their own businesses and bafuna ukukhulisa business wabo, right? But they don't know ukuthi bayephi in terms of register business yakhe, or where they can get funds for business wabo. So we also assist with that as an organization. So the organization is based at Sinema Office out 2, right? Sine office ela ePhumlongo ePaypoint. So more la phakathi ePaypoint uthi ufuna youth center bazogisa straight office lethu. And then we also have office elise Difateng, Difateng ngase Limindlela station. Yes. If ever you need more information, sizobe sisahlela ngaphandle, sizonikeza pamphlets. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, siyabonga. Ngicela simshayele izandla. Siswami ngicela ungahambi, ngizwe bathi kunemibuzo. Sisithamia ngicela ungahambi. Yes, angithi phela mele ba understand imibuzo. Sengiyibonile imibuzo sengcounte I think 2. Ngicela ukubona izandla ezinemibuzo for uSistamia. Ubhuti weskipe esblue phakamisile ne. And then ubhuti omunye la usisi lana the second one. Ungaphakamisa second row. Okay, ngicela ukubona izandla ezinemibuzo. Isandla lesiyane emuva. Okay, noted bhuti wami. Noted la phambili. Okay, ngicela yonke le 3 ephakamisile yezandla enemibuzo, ngicela size la ngaphambili. Can I get that second mic, my brother? Ngicela uyilethe la kusisine. Hayi ngama khona la stage wena stage sakho. Ume khona la epulpit ube umamfundisi bakubona. Yabona futhi uyafanele. Hayi ngizokubambela bhuti ungawari.
Sisi ungabatshela abantwana ukuthi ukuvolunteer kuyanceda or akuncedi naye sometimes uzifema nakaze ngokubamba icamera ukuvolunteer nje hayi manje ngiyaqela.
Okay, siyabonga baba. Ubaba uthi ukuvolunteera is very important. Sizifamiliarize ngokuvolunteer angithi. Okay, omunye umbuzo kunjani bhuti wami? Ubani igama?
Tshepo.
Okay, Tshepo ngicela ubuza umbuzo wakho kusisi.
My question is, I didn't hear with Sister Mia mentioning about the fees of the computer literature skills and everything.
Did you hear that question, sir? Okay, thank you very much. Uzwile uzophendula manje ne? Okay, ungasondela sisi sawubona?
Yebo njani?
Ubani igama?
Nkuli.
Okay, Nkuli umbuzo wakho uthini?
Do your social workers only deal with GBV, nothing else like mental health issues?
Umbuzo omuhle lo ngicela simshayele izandla. Bathi ama-social worker enza u-GBV kuphela noma kukhona okunye ungaphendula iyasebenzela manje?
Okay. Yeah, I think
okay, thank you very much.
Ngizocala ngobhuti ne. Okay, lapho into engifuna ukugcizelela kuyo, I'm not sure ukuthi isiZulu na. Yeah. Ukuze at times mo hambisa i-CV yakho nawe angisho manje indlela yokudraft i-CV seyihlukile, right? Especially mozosebenzisa izinto ezifana nabo intelligent app na intelligent CV. Ivele yenza i-CV yakhe ibe ngaka, right? Because information eningi mayifakwa kudala ayisafakwa, you understand? So i-CV yakho ivele uyibona ibe half a page, you understand? So mo mawumuntu ozimise or singathi ozimiselayo mawumuntu mawungaba umuntu ozifundisa ukuthi uhambe uyovolunteer endaweni, and not even just one place, right? Kube indawo ezihlukahlukile ozovolunteer kuzo, ne? Ugain i-experience lapho. So ungaya library, ufike library uthi, can I just be here for like 2 or 3 months? Bazokufaka. Bakhona izindawo ezokufaka, especially ama NPOs. Mina get informed ngene ngokuba i-volunteer. Ngibe i-volunteer, mengicela ukuba i-volunteer, ngathola enye opportunity khona lapha phakathi eyanginikeza imadlanyana, and then today ngi-help desk officer, so I'm the face of Get Informed, understand? So, yes, so volunteer, yes, sometimes it can be draining, ukuvuka ekuseni, uye endaweni yosebenza, ubona abantu abasebenza the same thing that who are doing the same thing that you're doing, and they want and bazothola umsebenzi. But inhlanhla zomuntu kumele wazi ukuthi zihlukile, and inhlanhla yakho awazi ukuthi uzoyitholaphi, right? So iyakuboosta ku-CV yakho and ingakulethela neinhlanhla, right? And then the second question, so ngithe sine-computer training, right? I-computer yethu it's 1,350. 1,350 computer yethu. And then we have the technical support. The technical support is 2,500 rands. Sorry? Okay. And then with the early childhood development, I think unyaka wonke yona 12 months, right? So it's 12,000. No. Yeah, 12,000 rands. You cost yonyaka. Because yonyaka. What other question was it? Oh, GBV, right?
Yeah, good. Your social workers only offer GBV assistance, nothing about mental health.
So with mental health, it can only depend ukuthi ibangwe yini, right? So if ibangwe ukuthi ufacane ne-GBV. Actually, GBV, we have e-financial, we have e-physical, we have emotional. Yes. So if mental health yakho ibangwe lezo zinto lezo, then yes, they will assist you. If not, uyakwazi ukuya kubo, and then bona bazok-refer to the relevant people abazok-assist. So anye bakujikise nje kuphela, bazozwa isitori sakho, and then if bayezwa ukuthi okay, wena udinga ku-social worker so, wena udinga ku-social worker so. Ama-social worker ahlukile and adila ngezinto ezihlukile. Yeah, I think I'm done.
Ngicela simshayeleni izandla. Angithi sesiright ngemibuzo, angithi? Ayisekho eminye imibuzo. Are we sure? Akekho mhlawumbe ufuna ukumbuza nge-stipend naye.
Basho, bye-bye.
Ngicela simshayele izandla, siyabonga. Thank you very much, Sister Mia and the team from Get Informed. Before anything else, ngicela ukuthi nizishayeleni izandla nani yourselves njengoba nihleli lapho. Because njengoba sisho sithi many a times makuza ama opportunities ngesikhathi esiningi you don't find a lot of people taking advantage. So for the fact yokuthi uvukile namhlanje and you came to this place, it means you are serious angithi uzimisele ngempilo. Because angithi at the end of the day yonke into esiyenzayo angithi in life has its own consequences. And angeke angithi abomandoza basho kudala bathi uzoyithola kanjani uhlele khoneni angithi. So the fact that we woke up today safika seza la ngicela sishayele izandla guys. And then shortly as we close njengoba uPutmuthusi ushilo ukuthi he is still here, and then angithi we did announce ukuthi akhona ama QR code circulating around ukuthi ni join a WhatsApp group so you can get more information. Sister Mia and the team from Get Informed, they are also still here. And then as you guys go outside, angithi nibonile kunama exhibition tent ngaphandle angithi. There's people from the Department of Health, there's people from Amafiber who are also here to offer ama Wi-Fi packages. There's people from Konje kunabo bani futhi abanye, there's people from the IEC. So there's a whole lot of information ngaphandle angithi. So usisi loyana ubuzile about the issue of mental health. Bakhona nabantu base Department of Health yasekuruleni la ngaphandle. You can get a test ye hypertension, a test ye HIV, check blood pressure and all of those things. Angithi khona abanye abantu abagulayo kodwa bangazazi. Cause abacheki udla amagwinya every day, I'll check high blood, I'll check in. So we've got people outside from the Department of Health. Kodwa, as we close our program today and we officially wish to thank ama stakeholders and everybody ozile namhlanje la, ngicela ukuthi one by one ngibamenshine, ngicela sibashayele izandla abantu base Take a Lot. Ngicela futhi sibashayele izandla abantu base KwaZini Skills Center. Ngicela futhi sibashayele izandla nabantu base Get Informed. And then before sifika kuma VIP wethu ngicela ukuthi sishayele futhi nomsasazi wethu odume kakhulu iThembisa Online izandla. Guys, yazi iThembisa Online iyasebenza guys. Uzobona ngo11 ebusuku bathi msasazi mbukeli siyanibikelela futhi ngo11 ebusuku. Uzibuza ukuthi iphone call yasemqanza abayithola esikhathi bani kodwa guys umsebenzi wenu bakithi kodwa siyabonga. And then last but not least ngicela nisishayele izandla nina ngokwenu. So as we close, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for coming out namhlanje to the Youth Imbizo hosted by uKhansela Walai Watleve and uKhansela Oriel Twabala. We sincerely hope ukuthi it was an informative session, and also please feel free ukuthi makube kukhona enye information mhlambe enisayidinga eningakayitholi noma imibuzo bonke abantu bebakhona namhlanje la stage basesekhona la ngaphandle. And then if also there's any other question ngaphambi kokuthi sizoletha uKhansela ukuthi asivalele, everybody else is still available la ngaphandle. Ngicela simshayele izandla uKhansela as he comes.
Sanibonani? Sesizovala iprogram. I know ukuthi seni-exhausted most of you. Dalani la, but I think ukuthi into enizwe la nizwe into fruitful kakhulu izokhona ukuthi in-develop izon-assista nasempilweni yenu. And another one angithi another stakeholder singafikanga which is NYDA, because it's supposed to ukuthi naso sibe khona sizo outline ama-opportunities akhona, because of there's another opportunity whereby ukuthi ngine interest yakhona so that ukuthi nani nizwe ile spaza shop funding, because it's very important. Angithi nenibona ukuthi country kwenzakalani at the moment, and there's a spaza shop funding, and the spaza shop funding ikhona lapha is 100,000 and iyaphuma and iphumela ama South Africans. So asingeneni sithole information yakhona maybe kuma website or NYDA and so forth, so that sithole ukuthi le 100,000 itholakala kanjani, because of neba mnandi ikhuluma izo outline abantu aba relevant so that ngiba question, because mina ngizokubuza some of the questions ngizohluleka ukuni-answer, wayibani, but nengithi nami ngithi wayibani, so nizwe nani because of it's a opportunity nayo le for i-business, because of angithi kune program ekhona la South Africa ukuthi abahambe angithi nayizwa ngithi. So now as start any opportunity, especially young people, let's take an opportunity. Kula maspaza shop funding, start any opportunities. Kule nto yama biker, start any opportunities. Singawayeki because of kusasa. Zabe sikhonjwa ukuthi naba laba ba lazy, naba ntontoni, naba nabasikhomba, but abalethi anything. Wayibona? So nesicela kakhulu ukuthi asivaleni le space because of kuzoba ne space esinkulu. Le vacuum asivaleni as South Africans, as young people. Nengicela kakhulu because of the starting opportunity. Kusasa singakhonjwa bathi nje basikhombe basibize ngamagama. Angithi niyazi ukuthi basibiza ngamagama. Angifuni ukuwasho nalawo magama, but I'm just saying ukuthi let's take that opportunity. Nengicela kakhulu.
So that ngeneni angithi all of us, most of us nama smartphone, angithi sinama Android and so forth. So asingeneni siwasebenziseni yabona, so that ukuthi sithole information irrelevant izokhona ukunceda impilo zethu. Uthi kusasa silwiseni le poverty, silwiseni le ntonyena le unemployment. Because of this is the enemy country angithi, unemployment and poverty. Take a lot is coming on board, yeah, assist in that space. As I started an opportunity, see gripping with both hands angithi young people. So and also sizokhuluma ne take a lot to see engage. Ukuthi I opportunity we understand ukuthi badila nge young people from 18 to 35. But sinabantu from 35 to 55, which they are younger, but flexible, they can do the job. Angithi. Uyangibona mina, angithi example ngami. Most of you manganibuza ngithi nangaki. Sengilanda 50. Ngiyeke nisho, yabona? Wayibona, angithi ufuna ukubonisa take a lot. Sengilanda 50. And ngiyeke ngithembe ngithi. Ngwaka 81. Wayibona? Ngilanda 50. So mangimela ngibonakala ngesifi ngathi amyanga ngithi. So I take a lot mele sipersuade angithi. Wayibona? So ukuthi asibhekeni umuntu ofana nami should ngiyeke nimufake because of inumber. Ngisase fresh, ngengqondo, I'm flexible, I can do the job. Wayibona? Nesicela ukuthi nathi ngale niuhambisa umphako ukuthi hayi nesicela please ukuthi le age until the age. Wayibona? Nesicela ukuthi nivuleni so that ukuthi nathi wayibona le age le bangafili ngathi sibavalele ngaphandle. Wayibona? Angithi youth endala, youth endala nami angithi. So asinikezeni I chance now, but take a lot now sinikeze lo mphako ukuthi at least iba engage so that ukuthi next time sesithi ayivulile for youth endala ngithi. So nesicela kakhulu ukuthi I take a lot I consider lento lesicelayo. Ngokusho lokho ngibonge kakhulu for isikhathi senu. It shows ukuthi niyalalela neza nazo lalela futhi lana and still nisasekhona sahleli intact anikahambi should this thing nithathe serious. Ngibonge kakhulu for your commitment ningalahli angithi. Ngisho ukuthi also moving forward kulama opportunity le commitment yenu nizo display nayo angithi. So ngibonge kakhulu for lesikhathi senu for kusho lokho ngiyabonga kakhulu program director nani konke. Thank you very much.
Siyabonga kakhulu councillor. Sekunama microphone I to a stage. Okay, siyabonga kakhulu councillor ngokusivalela umhlangano wethu. Usesekhona uMamlili njengoba asivulele ngomkhuleko. Ngaphambi kokuthi siyivale ngomthandazo ne angithi sonke we are patriotic South Africans angithi. Siyazi angithi ukuthi kwenzakalani ecountryn yethu ngalesikhathi angithi. So before uMamlili azosivalela ngomthandazo bengicela ukuthi sonke sisukume ngeenyawo and then we are going to sing our national anthem as we close and then siyakhuleka. Ngithi sise sonke ngithi. Or asema South African. Asema South African. Asema South African. Okay. Ngicela sukumeni sonke ngenyawo uMamlili azosivalela ngomkhuleko. Ukuphi usesekhona uMamlili? Akasekho. Okay. Ngicela sukumeni ngenyawo. Sesiqedile guys, we are done angithi. Okay, one meeting. Sesiqedile ngithi bahlali. Siqale kahle sisonke ngithi uRelebogile Mofokeng bathi kuyayithoma kuyayifetsa. So re thomile akere. Ari ifetse akere. Okay, sicela re ifetseng sizocula I-national anthem bese sizothandaza sivale. Okay. Hayi, ngathi akuna ma South African councillor bathi abafuna ukucula, abafuna ukuthandaza. Okay, ngicela sivaleni ngomthandazo ke before sihamba, ngicela I-movement ime kancane. Singathandaza. ke ngicela sivale namehlo. uNkulunkulu namandla onke Yesu abo bonke abamkhonzayo siyakhuleka ngilose namandla siyabonga ngalolu suku. Spirit of the living God, we thank you for this day, O God, that you have made for us to rejoice and be glad in it. Father, we thank you for each and every young person that was in this place today. We thank you for each and every person that was here today, O God. Nkosi namandla siyakhuleka ukuthi wonke umuntu ovukile weza kule ndawo namhlanje. Nkosi yokuphila uyomkhumbula. Sikhulekela ukuthi wonke umuntu oze kule ndawo namhlanje Nkosi namandla azofuna usizo, azofuna umsebenzi, azofuna opportunity yokuthuthuka Nkosi namandla wena uyomhlangabeza la kudinga khona. Baba njengoba sikhuleka kule ndawo namhlanje wena wazi yonke inhliziyo kule ndawo, wena wazi yonke umndeni orepresented kule ndawo. Siyakhuleka namhlanje Baba. Siphakamisela lakho igama Nkosi yamaZulu, siphakamisa wonke umuntu okhona kule ndawo. Baba njengoba sikhuleka esikhathini samanje siyakhuleka ukuthi nalabo azofaka khona ama CV Nkosi ayophendulwa. Siyakhuluma Nkosi namandla namhlanje sibizela lakho igama ukuthi nalabo ayongena khona online ba-apply bayophendulwa. Sithumele zakho ingelosi Nkosi namandla manje ukuthi konke laba faka khona ama-application, konke laba zama khona imizamo Nkosi yamakhosi, vula konke la kuvalwe khona Nkosi namandla. Vula amathuba ngilosi yokuphila kukhanye phezulu kwimpilo zeingane zakho. Baba siyakhuleka namhlanje ukuthi bonke futhi abeze kule ndawo ngama mental health issues, abeze kule ndawo ngama depression, sithi Nkosi namandla we bind, we release those spirits Nkosi namandla ukuthi your children be free. Nkosi yokuphila siyakhuleka namhlanje ukuthi njengoba baphuma la kule ndawo konke abayokuzama kuyoba impumelelo. Njengoba baphuma la kule ndawo konke abayokuthinta kuyoba impumelelo. Sithi mabahambe nelakho igama Nkosi namandla bavikeleke ngaso sonke isikhathi kweli inhlanhla phezulu kwemizi, kweli inhlanhla phezulu kweimpilo zabo Nkosi namandla. Manje kuze kube naphakade siyakhuleka ngegama lika Jesu elinamandla. Amen. Nozwile umthandazo?
Isishamthetho sesifundazwe sase-Gauteng phecelezi Gauteng Provincial Legislature ngesiqubulo esithi Your View, Our Vision yethula the 11th Annual Bita Basadi Awards ka-2026. Khumbula ke ukuthi ukungenela sekuvuliwe, singaqinisekisa ukuthi kuzovalwa ngolwesibili mhla yinsuku zingama-30 kuyo inyanga ephezulu, Tuesday 30th June 2026. Wena ke into ongayenza ungakwazi ukuthi uqoke owesifazane okholwa ukuthi wenza kahle emphakathini, ushintsha impilo nokunye nje ongasukucabange. Ukungenela ungathumela ke imininingwane yalona wesifazane, kungabi imininingwane yakhe kuphela kepha nezincomo zibe khona phecelezi okuyiprofile nomsebenzi kawenzayo. Kanti ke ungangenela ku www.gpl.gov.za noma ubheke imininingwane laphayana ke epagini le Facebook le Gauteng Legislature, noma ke ungaxhumana noZanele kulezi inombolo 060 999 0400 060 999 0400 noma uthumele i-email kule email address ethi zmthweni@gpl.gov.za. Gauteng Provincial Legislature, your view, our vision. Iyake muzwa kwethu, ngiyacabanga ukuthi ke nawe uma ngabe ungibona sengimila okwesibili kusho ukuthi sesizoyivala, kusho ukuthi wena usungenile ngaphakathi, kusho ukuthi wena usukwazile ukuthi wenanele ukwazi ukuthola i-information njengomuntu omusha oyidingayo. Siyophinde ke futhi ke sibuye ngelinye ilanga uma ngabe besibiza nawe la ukhona makunento oyenzayo positive change emphakathini, siyakwazi ukufika sikhulume nawe sikwazi ukuthi sidlulise umlayezo. Igama umfanele uPhenyo Bheshwa kaDzanibe, angihambi ngedwa ukhona ubanele uBrazo Sondlo, uSihle Ngwini, kanti ke okuyena osiqophela imisindo nezithombe uDerek Phukela, shot by House.